Yes. Thank you very much. How much are you, sir? £17. Here we go. Right, everyone. Hello. Welcome back to Hello, mate. Food Review Club. This is quite a busy Camden Market, and I welcome you to, thank you very much, to Highlander Game. We've walked into Camden Market. We've just to rewind. We did it a while ago here. We came late at night, where a lot of these places were shut. And you guys were banging on. There's some fine food here. So we've come back on a Saturday afternoon. We're going to get everything. And we've walked in. You can see absolutely... Don't sit there, go on.
Great big sausage.
Massive sausage. So, this is your sausage.
My sausage is the original, the Polish one. It's the same, the Polish bread. I'm original, they make everything. I'm very happy because now I'm no scared because there's no liar. Everything is all right.
Yes, there we go. So, this is a Polish sausage, Polish bread, not your regular hot dog. And you lulled us in with a little cocktail stick, didn't you? And said, try this. And the sausage was incredible. So, we'll try and pick this up.
I feel like we need a...
Should be like that, gentlemen?
Yes. It's a video.
It's perfect. Because they coming for the special, the butcher. Every sausage they make in the butcher, every time in the date, everything.
Really?
The fresh one. Yeah.
Good. Let's put it down. I heard a picture, take a screenshot. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to sauce up. What's good sauce? Ketchup?
Ketchup, mustard, standard, and this one in the English. Only this one different
Sriracha.
because the people like this one. Yeah.
I'm going to keep it simple.
I like it. The sauerkraut.
Got all the gear on it.
The pickles, the Polish pickles, and the krauty, red krauty, because it's a nice one.
Red kraut.
Yes.
Ah.
Delicious.
Different for everybody.
So first things first, look at the sausage. It's got a wonderful char off it. It's been cooked in this big pan over here with the onions. We've got it infused with flavours. It's quite a meaty sausage. It's a big sausage. It's quite a handful. Let's dive in. Oh, there's delicious onions under there. Let's dive in and give it. Yeah, I will. Give me a chance. It's very hard to review. We've got him going off at me here.
I don't scare.
Yeah.
This is the special one.
Yeah, it's very difficult to review. He's on this. Here we go. It's fantastic.
Thank you very much.
Got a really meaty flavour to the sausage. Quite distinct flavour. It's not like a regular hot dog. Hot dogs are typically really poor quality. Eyelids and arseholes. This is tastes good meat, yeah?
Normal hot dog in the English, I love English people. Only the Frankfurter. This one is a meat one. They make the special manufacture. This is the special, the homemade.
It's got...
It's like homemade.
Yeah. He did say that at the beginning in his speech about the Polish butchers. Made in the butcher house, yeah?
Yeah, yes, of course. They're my friend.
That is. It's got a smoky flavour to the outside of it as well.
Because it is smoke. Before the 12 hours, the first smoking. After,
Really?
Yeah. It's not easy.
Beautiful. This, my friends, is not your regular hot dog. So you said your name here is Highlander Game, gourmet folk sausage. Well, it doesn't sound a very Polish name, but you said that you don't have a Polish name because people, you think it might...
Polish sausage, dobra. Góralska kiełbasa. Yes. Góralska
what it's called?
kiełbasa. The Highlander is the Góralska.
Ah.
The name is the game. On the plane with game for the Górals, the Highlander. It's the same like the, before you know this actor, they make it the Highlander, yeah?
Ah.
There we go. So, that is a pretty impressive sausage and an impressive man. What's your name, sir?
My name is Melek.
Melek. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
My name is Matt. So, this is the part of the show where we give it a score. Well, I haven't had a sauerkraut and a pickles. However, the flavour is sensational. Great bread. Good, solid meal here in Camden. I'll give you an 8 out of 10 all day long. Anything you want to say, Jess?
Oh, how much was it?
How much is it? Well, just for show purposes, we've got what was it, a metre?
No problem.
We're going to take it away.
Yeah.
That was 17 quid, but a regular one, how much is a regular one? £7?
Regular.
Quarter of a metre.
The customers, you talk it with me, regular customer. Now sometimes it's selling for the £5. This one is for the less money.
Yeah.
The regular customers, they make it a special card. They give the special card. There's no problem in the less
Yeah.
money. Because now the business is the
Yeah. How has business been with COVID? Difficult?
I'm very happy. It's enough for my life, everything.
Good.
I'm very happy, and I'm very happy because I'm talking for the customer.
Yeah.
For everything. I'm very happy.
Good. He's happy. I'm happy. Hope you guys are happy. Get in the comments. Anywhere we must go in Camden, in London, please get tagging. Thanks for watching, everyone. And that, review.